Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Anthony Olo. I create lovely content about how to make money online. If you've been conversant with my channel, you've noticed that some of my contents are always maybe shaky or won't really be placed well. I've been using this lovely instrument which I got from AliExpress. It has been serving me, but I believe I needed to upgrade. I am a fan of starting with what you have. I don't like to procrastinate, even if I don't have any phone holder or anything. I don't mind holding. Most of my videos, I hold my phones this way. Yes, I shoot with my phones. No camera yet. We'll get to that point. Please, let's make a welcome my lovely new equipment. Tripod stand WT-3560. Yes, this tripod stand can actually carry phone or camera. As my family, let's unveil it together. Voila! Here is how big it is. It's actually 6 feet tall. Whoa. It comes with a carrier bag which can just be hung and take a walk to your. So here is how it looks like. How it's look how big it looks. Yeah, it actually comes with phone holder and it comes with phone holder and a remote. Like solo producer like me, I can actually enjoy this and shoot without having asking anyone to help me hold my phone. This is the phone holder. This is the remote. Let's fill this together. How big it looks. Here is the handle of the tripod stand. Can expand this here. From what I notice, here is the encryption. From what I noticed, this can actually be worked on. This can actually be placed on a table or on ground. Expand this like two ways of it. This guy here, clip, clip, and here, clip and clip. Very good here. This holder here, this hanger is a way you can hang your camera bag or any weighty stuff. Wind will easily push this away. Just tighten this area here, lose up here, lose this guy, and move up. Tight it back. Here is the phone holder area. Can place camera here or phone here. Tight. Raise this to the level which you want to take your content from. This is where we place the phone or camera. Here it's this can actually take tablets, horizontal phone or vertical, anywhere you want to place it. This can serve better for it. I can't just wait to start making use of this and deliver sweet and interesting contents. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Returning subscribers, thank you for being part of the family. This is good. We're good to go with this. Move this around how you want to take it. We're good. I can't wait to start dropping lovely content for you. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video. Feel free to check other videos I've made with this phone holder and see the new ones I'll make from this. Get the notification, send it on the comment box so I'll know what you observe. Thank you.